Good morning, class. This isn't coffee. I was grading your essays, and I realized that over half of them were not in MLA format, and that just got me to thinking. I tend to think, and I run my head in circles, and I was thinking, God, I wonder if they think this will get by in the real world. I wonder if they actually think that in the real world, this kind of would suffice? No, they couldn't believe that. Do you think that they're going to be okay with this in college? If a college professor saw those essays, he would be screaming with laughter and chagrin. In the real world, you would be instantly killed. You have no idea what the real world's like. We're not in the real world. We're in a microcosmic purgatory.